This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki doori for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075. And the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday released the 10th installment of financial benefit under Pradhan, Mantri, Kisan, Samman, Nidhi scheme through video conferencing. More than 20,000 crore rupees have been transferred to over 10 crore farmer families. Under the PM Kisan scheme, financial benefit of 6,000 rupees per year is provided to the eligible family of farmer. The amount is being transferred in 3 installments of 2,000 rupees. The fund is transferred directly to the bank accounts of the beneficiaries. Modi also released equity grant of more than 14 crore rupees to about 351 farmer-producer organizations, which will benefit more than 1,24,000 farmers. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa said that some positive development regarding the Armed Forces Special Powers Act is expected during the year. Several groups in Assam are demanding to repeal the AFSPA. Talking to newspersons in Guwahati, he said militancy was on the wane in the state, with all tribal militant groups already coming forward for talks. He lauded the efforts of the tribal civil society for taking steps in bringing peace to the state. But the Chief Minister said that the demand for discussion on sovereignty remained the main hurdle in resolving the issues with Paresh Barua-led Alpha Independence. Sarma said he has learned from his personal interactions with people who are directly or indirectly in touch with Paresh Barua that the militant leader wants a negotiated settlement. In view of rising cases of COVID-19, the centre has asked the states and union territories to initiate the creation of field or makeshift hospitals to augment the availability of health infrastructure. In a letter to the state chief secretaries and health secretaries, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said that the arrangement can be done in coordination with DRDO, CSIR as well as private sector, corporations, NGOs and others. He said this will add the process of rapid creation of field hospitals or temporary hospital setups. Assam Health Minister Keshab said that the Health Department in Assam has targeted getting all students of the schools vaccinated by the 9th of this month. Mahanta said all district administrations are directed to ensure that all students get vaccinated by January 9th. He informed that the vaccination drive in schools and other educational institutions will start from tomorrow. All the students will be vaccinated with Covaxin and the second dose of the vaccine is targeted by February 9th. The Health Minister also added that with the vaccinations being completed for the student will be prepared for the HSLC and higher secondary examinations. In view of the surge in Omicron cases in the country, the Tripura Government has reimposed strict restrictions to prevent further spread of COVID-19 infection in the state. A total of 7 directives were passed following by a high-power meeting held by Chief Secretary Kumar Alok at the Civil Secretariat. The meeting decided wearing of masks or face cover is compulsory in public places, crowded areas and markets in all workplaces and offices and during travelling. If any violation is noticed, the District Magistrate and Collector, State Police Services Commissioner, Head of Departments are entitled to take action. The Health Department and Collectors, AAI, NF Railway and BSF will ensure this immediately. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio. Have a nice day.